Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please push the subscribe button. If you haven't push the like button. And we are gonna go into Costco. And I guess there's this rule, we have to wear masks to go into Costco. Oh, and guess what? I know you guys are like, where's the bird? Where's the bird? Look, there's the birdie. There's the birdie. Okay, so we're gonna go into Costco. It's raining, so I gotta bundle up. Okay, and she can breathe because I got her breathing right in my ear. Okay, here we go. Alright, see, the weather here in Washington is quite windy. Bundle us up. Remember, I have love in me. Oh. It's cold. Bird. Hurry, it's getting cold. It's too cold for a birdie, so that's why she's in my jacket. Okay. So 2 people at a time in the Costco.
We're together.
My glasses are fogged up.
Well, let's grab a cart. 2.
Come on, bro.
2.
And then he's checking the card up front. He's checking cards up there.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you have a mask?
Yes,
Okay.
right here.
Perfect.
And she does too.
Okay, good. Thanks.
Yep, we do that.
We have to put the mask on. We have to wear a mask. Oh, I can't wear the mask out. It's fogging up my glasses. What a pain. Did you flush that?
No.
Good. Hi. I'm with her. We have to wear masks.
I gotta get it on.
So Costco, we have to wear masks to go inside, and unfortunately, I can't wear my glasses.
Mine too.
They are fogging up. Damn it, they're fogging up. Okay, so.
Down, I can't see either. Mine are fogging up too. Oh, there it is. Cassie. This bottle of wine. This one. Yes.
Oh, we're gonna get some wine for me tonight.
No, me.
Oh, what about me? You gonna give me some?
Oh,
So my
I
mom
guess.
says this is the wine to pick. The wine to drink on your own. I have to take my glasses off. Damn it.
I can't see.
Yeah, my glasses keep fogging up.
Fogging up.
And I can't see without the glasses.
I know.
Oh gosh. So we have a glasses problem. I can't focus here. I can't see. They fog up with the mask. Okay. Looks like Costco's got some sales going on here. $11.99 some rags. Pillows. They have socks. My mom's still trying to figure out her mask. Mine's still. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Your glasses are fogged up.
I can't see.
I know.
How are they doing it?
Well, they said that fell at the door.
How do you do
Just
it?
put your glasses over the top of your mask.
Okay. So we put our glasses.
Oh, then you don't fog up. Because I was fogging up like crazy.
Oh, that's what we're
Okay.
doing. Okay, that works. Thank you.
There. Thank you so much. Okay, so everybody, if you want to know how to fix that problem, that's how you do it. Wow, we didn't know.
No.
Now we just helped the whole wide world. Oh, flowers,
Uh-huh.
flowers, and more flowers. Oh, these are beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
On $17.99 at Costco. Costco. Ooh, pretty. How do we like it, love? Do you see the flowers?
Yeah.
All right. So, these are really beautiful. So what are we gonna get? Let's go get what we're gonna get. That's the sales going on at Costco. We'll see more as we go. Because now we can get all the sales going on at Costco. Oh, look at this. This is awesome. It's a beehive.
Yeah. Yeah, did you hear about the killer bee?
I don't need no bees around me.
Murder bee.
Not with my baby girl.
It stings you, it'll kill you.
Oh, wow, there's a murder bee. Did you hear that? My mom
A
was
murder
saying.
bee.
A murder bee.
Yeah, they say it's from Asia and it's over here in Washington.
It's from Asia and it's over here in Washington. One sting will kill you.
Yep. And it'll kill a whole beehive. Murder them, like, eat their head.
My dad is a Seahawks fan, so I have a Seahawks mask. What are we looking for, Mom?
Food. I don't know this side.
What do you need?
Food. Overturning. Oh, we gotta go way over there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is all like,
Oh, hey, let me check this out. I want to check this side out.
okay, and we should also get over here and get some melons. I don't want to get lost. I know.
Oh, that's a small shed.
Okay, so my mom is checking out this shed up here.
Yeah, but that's not what I want. That's too small.
Uh-oh.
I need a big storage place built. I need a whole storage unit built.
That's how that works.
Well, we got our glasses fixed.
Yes, that's how we
Yeah.
fix our glasses.
Yeah. Now we can see.
Yeah. Alright, so on to the section where we're going to pick out some birdie food. Oh. No, we're going to show what you can eat. So, birds can eat watermelon. And they can eat strawberries. They cannot eat avocado. Avocado is very bad, toxic. Will kill a bird. They can eat this, bell peppers, and more bell peppers. I would not feed them tomatoes. Tomatoes aren't the greatest for birds. Especially the stems. The stems are deadly. Like this part. You don't want to feed that to the bird. That's deadly. And they can eat some cucumber. And they love honeydew melon. And of course our bananas. They love bananas. But onions, they will kill you. They'll kill the bird. Onions can kill birds. Okay. Are you ready? Next section. Okay, I'm going to come in here. Apples are all great. Apples are good for the bird. Ooh, what are these? Apricots?
Yes.
Apricots are great for birds. You just cannot eat the core, middle of the bird. And on apples, you cannot feed any of the seeds cannot feed any seeds to the birds. They can eat lemons and oranges and my favorite halos. Okay. We're gonna go see what my mom's doing. And what is Love doing? I know.
I don't know how ripe they are.
Those are looking good though. We might get some apricots for the little birdies. Maybe. I'd rather go get some broccoli.
I don't know.
Maybe we should go get some broccoli instead.
Yeah. Okay. We've
It's right in here. Okay. Pineapple and kiwi are great, along with pears, carrots. Okay, you go in there. It's too cold for me in the birdie.
Oh, okay.
Oh, well, maybe, I guess.
Oh, here, you just...
Yeah, you just get... I think it's too cold in there for me and the birds. But that's the ice, the freezer. Hopefully she gets what I need. Aww. I'm going to just take off these glasses because it's hard to wear them with this mask. Thank you. That's perfect. Got my broccoli for my birdies. Okay, next thing. Never feed your birds any sugars. No sugar items. Okay.
Oh, look, get a rotisserie chicken.
Oh, rotisserie chicken?
That's
A rotisserie chicken? It's only $4.99. Is that warm, baby?
Have you had those?
Yeah, those are good.
You want one? What are you eating for dinner?
I don't know. I guess I could make a chicken noodle soup.
Or do you want some of mine?
Sure.
Okay, you could just have a piece.
Our Walmart sugar.
Oh. Let's see, I gotta get the frozen over here. Oh, he wants something to drink. Try
Okay. So that's about it for my vlog. I'm going to sign out now. Now you guys know what's going on at Costco. And now I see who's waking up. You say goodbye? Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you haven't pushed the like button, push the like button. Thank you.